Hi, this is Malini. Today I'm going to show you an aloe vera. It's native to South Africa and it's also known as medicinal aloe or medicinal plant. It has beautiful thick green fleshy leaves, and the aloe vera can actually grow to about 24 to 39 inches tall. I have one here in my yard and it's a pretty mature variety here. They do very well in the shade or in partial sun. I recommend watering it once a week. So this beautiful little aloe vera is great for medicinal uses. It's actually known for healing burns, cuts, sunburn, rashes. Simply you just cut the stem here, and when you cut the stem, I would recommend cleaning it and then peeling this leaf off, and then you can use it for rashes, burns. When you do cut it, it actually doesn't regrow the leaf. For example, here I cut the leaf and basically it just scars over, and the new leaves will come from the base. If it's kept outdoors, water once a week. If it's indoors, it should be near a bright, well-ventilated window, and water about once or twice a month. Now the aloe vera actually has beautiful orange flowers, and they come on like these tall stalks. Put it in this cute little pink pot as well. Thank you for watching.